Hey everyone, just a short video today about how to prolong the life of some of your LED bulbs. I find that they simply don't last. There's absolutely no way that they achieve some of these quoted lifetime figures. Well, certainly not in this household anyway. And from a cost point of view, there's a whole spectrum in terms of price and quality. And over the years, I've found that spending more doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get a better bulb or that it's going to last longer. In fact, I've sort of experienced the opposite. So there's good reason to repair what you've already got. So this is how I go about repairing the bulbs. Now it's usually just one LED that gives up, and you can see there it's easy to identify. It's the one with the little black dot in the middle of it. Seems to have burnt out. So to get to it, it's just a matter of getting the lens off, and with these bulbs they come off really easily. Just with a razor blade or something, just flick it off. And just under the microscope you can see the LED is just burnt out, and it almost looks like it's gone open circuit there, but I think it becomes resistive and limits the current going through the series of LEDs. So there might even be some other contamination in there too. So unfortunately just one LED in the bunch has let down the entire bulb. And so with the heat gun I just pick off the failed LED. And I've got a donor LED which I've been harvesting LEDs from for some time now. So I'll just pick off a LED from this guy. Now you have to be careful with the orientation, but you'll probably find that the footprint matches the bottom of the LED, so you just got to make sure you've got it the right way. One pad is bigger than the other. So just with some flux on the LED, I'm putting it back into position. Now if you haven't got a reflow station, you can probably use a heat gun at about 300-350 degrees. That should do the trick. And let it cool off and give it a test. And there you go. So should get a bit more life out of it. We'll see how we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.